Not only we can modify the items, we can also remove characters from the dictionary that we don't want. There are different methods to do it. With the pop function, we can remove the item with the specific key. In this case, we'll remove the item letter G. How I told you, it's not the only one. If you want to learn more, continue watching. This function is similar to the other, but the difference is that you can remove only the last inserted item. You can see here how the key, letter A, disappears when the function is executed. This function is similar to pop function. The truth is that it's word like the other, the difference is the name and how it's used. But you can see that the result is the same because when the program is executed, the select key is deleted. This function can also delete the dictionary completely. To print the key will cause error because the key no longer exists. To remove all value, you can use clear command. As a result, it's completely clean.